In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect monday.com to N8N. We'll start in monday.com to generate a secure token, then use that token in N8N to authenticate and wire up a simple trigger. This lets your automations talk to your Monday boards without manual copying and pasting. First, sign into your monday.com account. Once you're in, look to the top corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, open administration. If you don't see this option, your role may not have admin permissions, so check with a workspace admin before continuing. Inside the admin area, go to connections. Here, find the personal API token section. This is where you create a token that N8N will use to access your Monday data on your behalf. Click generate to create a new token and confirm when prompted to generate the token. When the token appears, click copy. Treat this token like a password. Don't share it publicly. Store it in a secure place. And remember that if you regenerate it later, you'll need to update any tools that rely on it. Now head over to N8N and sign in. On the canvas, click add your first step to start building your workflow. In the node selector, search for monday.com. We'll begin with a trigger so the workflow runs automatically. Choose the triggers category, then select on a schedule to have the workflow run at a cadence you define. This is helpful for polling Monday for changes. Next, select board actions as the event type so the workflow focuses on activity happening on your boards. When N8N asks for credentials, choose the option to select a credential to connect with. Since we're connecting for the first time, click New Credential. In the credential form, look for the token v2 field and paste the API token you copied from monday.com. Double check there are no extra spaces before or after the token, then save the credential. That's all N8N needs to authenticate with Monday's API using your account's permissions. At this point, monday.com is connected to N8N. You can fine-tune the schedule and board filters in the trigger to target exactly what you want to monitor. A quick tip, keep your token in a password manager and limit who has access to credentials within N8N. If something doesn't connect on the first try, verify your token is current and that your Monday role has the necessary access to the boards you plan to use. And that's the complete setup. You've generated a personal API token in monday.com and used it to securely connect and configure a Monday trigger in N8N, paving the way for powerful automated workflows.